Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Surface dock model and ensuring the latest firmware is available. This avoids compatibility surprises. Power the dock first, because many peripherals draw initial current from the dock rather than the laptop. Once done, attach the correct certified USB-C or Thunderbolt cable to the dock's host port and then to the Surface's marked port. This sequence stabilizes device enumeration and prevents flicker. Make sure external monitors, Ethernet, and USB devices are connected to the dock now, so the system recognizes everything together. Once cables are seated, you configure the displays and peripherals. Open Windows Display Settings to arrange monitors, set resolutions, and adjust scaling so text and UI elements remain crisp. Mismatched scaling causes cursor jumps. Next, verify drivers for Surface, Thunderbolt, and GPU are current. Install updates and reboot if required so the dock hands off video and USB correctly. Finally, check sound and network settings to assign the correct audio output and prioritize Ethernet over Wi-Fi for stable connectivity. You finish by testing common workflows. Put the Surface to sleep and wake it, hot plug USB devices, and confirm battery charging rates. If something fails, first power cycle the dock and laptop, then reseat cables and try alternate ports to isolate the fault. If problems persist, update dock firmware in Windows and use the original OEM cable. Many issues stem from third-party cables or outdated firmware. Remember, systematic elimination, reboot, reseat, update, usually resolves docking issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.